there is no doubt that I'm a weird bird, and I'm proud to be a weird bird, because there are moments when my weirdness really excites me. And I've been fortunate the last several weeks to be having some very detailed conversations with both customers and students about how do you most effectively apply these different types of AI, right? It isn't just generative AI. There's analytical AI, or predictive AI, sometimes it's called. There's causal AI, which helps you identify the causes of root causes of effects. And then there's autonomous AI, which continuously looks, learns and adapts, right? And these four types of AIs are really powerful when you bring them together to solve a problem that you thoroughly have thought through, brought through your stakeholders, identified your desired outcomes, understand the KPIs and metrics against which you can measure success. Yes, all my students, all my customers, I hear the same thing. Blah, 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 here goes Schmarzo again. But I realized last night there was a different way to think about how I could communicate how one would use these four different types of AIs. And kind of like I'm struggling right now, I know I'm going to get to an answer on this, and that is using archetypes to figure out what are these four types, in what sort of situations should I use them, and how do they blend together to supercharge these solutions? So, a causal AI is really good at understanding the causes and effects of certain kinds of treatments if you're in a hospital. But how do I use predictive, autonomous, and generative AI combined together to make that even more effective? That's where things get fun. It isn't just it's not just additive, it's a multiplier effect. It's exponential how much you can improve something like improving patient treatment effectiveness, not just through causal, but also bringing in predictive, bringing in generative, and bringing in autonomous. So anyway, I'm all over the place here, but as you can tell, I'm all excited about this. I love when a new idea comes up. I've been kind of in a drought lately. I've been kind of dragging around, and now this has given me energy. So anyway, thanks for listening to my blathering. This blog will probably be out in a couple of weeks. It takes me a while to pull these thoughts together. But as always, have a great day. Happy October 1st. Cheers, baby.